Do you have dogs and a garage door that is just totally dirty? Well, I have a solution. This is the new Mr. Clean Ultra Thick, lasts 7 times longer than the normal Mr. Clean, and we're gonna go tackle the garage door. Alright, so I have no idea what that stain is, but my magic eraser Mr. Clean pad with a little bit of elbow grease. Yeah, I'm pressing pretty hard, but wow, came right off. So ultra thick, 7 times last longer magic eraser pads, something I recommend. They do get dirty, just go wash it out. All you need to do is get it wet when you use it. Alright, so if you've got a tough cleaning job, these Mr. Clean magic eraser ultra thick scrubbing pads work great. As you can see here, I'm demoing on my white garage door, and it's getting it nice and clean. One secret to these is don't get it too wet, and then just get it on there and push and scrub. But these things work great. You can get them in a 1-pack. If you only need one, you can get them in a 5-pack or a 3-pack. But once again, the ultra thick Mr. Clean magic erasers are something I've used and really quite like.